One day, Tashi found a clay pot and wanted to take it to the market to sell it. He carried the pot on his head and heading towards the market. As he walked, he thought,
If I sell this pot and buy a hen, the hen will lay eggs every day. If I sell the eggs, I will get a lot of money. With that money, I can build a house, buy horses, cattle, jewelry, clothing, and so on.
As he was walking, he arrived at the market. There his father appeared to him and said,
Son, give me 50 rupees.
Tashi shook his head and said,
I don't have any money right now.
The pot on his head fell to the ground and broke into many pieces. As he awakened by the sound of the broken pot and opened his eyes, the dreamlike vision suddenly vanished. Not only did he realize that he had not left the roof of his house, but also, because of his empty mind, he felt very sad to lose the clay pot. Meaningless, empty thoughts, like a dream in the sun, come and go, but they have no essence. They cause unnecessary sadness. This story teaches us that dwelling too much on material desires and imaginary futures can lead to disappointment and sadness. It emphasizes the importance of living in the present moment and appreciating what we have, rather than chasing after elusive dreams that may never materialize.